Very good morning, students. So, we are going to start with the next topic, that is some minor landforms. I will share the link also, which will explain you with video what is the meaning and the pictures of these three topics. So, some minor landforms, मतलब जो बहुत छोटे छोटे landforms हैं हमारी अर्थ पे. There are three types more: peninsula, isthmus, and island. Peninsula, you must have heard if in the video yesterday, a land which is covered by water on three sides. Like you see in India, east, west, and south. These three parts are covered with water, blue color. So that's why this is an example of a peninsular area. So India is an example. Is a peninsula surrounded by the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Ocean on its three sides. When we talk about isthmus, a narrow strip of land that joins two large land masses, and separates two water bodies is known as isthmus. So basically, this is like a narrow strip एक होती है जिसको that divides two big lands, ठीक है, या water bodies, big lands and water bodies को separate करती है, that is isthmus. And isthmus of Panama joins North America and South America and separates Caribbean Sea from the Gulf of Panama. So Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean को जो divide करती है, that is isthmus. Then comes your island. Island, you all know, island is a land which is covered with water from all the four sides. So islands are masses of land that are surrounded by water bodies on all sides. Example, Barren Island in India. Let's go ahead. The last topic of the lesson is landforms and the people. So human settlement are found in all kinds of landforms. They are saying जितने भी type के landforms हैं, चाहे minor हो, major हो, they all have a certain kind of people living in that area. The mountains are thinly populated. Thinly मतलब बहुत कम लोग रहते हैं. Thin मतलब बहुत ही कम population. ठीक है, बहुत ही कम लोग रहते हैं in the mountains. Steep slopes, lack of agricultural land, lack of transport facilities, and harsh climate makes them unsuitable for human settlement. So why mountains are very thinly populated? Because वहाँ पे slopes हैं, agriculture करना is difficult, the transport is very limited, and the climate is very harsh मतलब very difficult at times. That means when the winters are there, there is sometimes so much snow that it's very difficult for people to live there. Plains are the most densely populated. Densely मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा populated. Why? Because it's a flat land, it's a fertile land. It provides suitable condition for agriculture of different crops. Crops उगाना easy है, agriculture करना easy है, rivers है, so water is easy. Infrastructure such as roads, railways, industries, ये सब बनाना easy है. And these are all the things that we need. And is also much easier to build on plains rather than on other kind of landforms. Alright, so just do the word galaxy in the notebook and start doing the back questions. If you have any confusion in any question at the back, please personally message me. Alright.